Alright guys, so this is the Acer Nitro 5. Mine is the AN515-53-55G9 model. So it has the M.2 SSD in it, 256 gigabyte, and that's it. Of course, it does have the extra slot for additional hard drive and additional RAM up to 32 gigs, but it only comes with 8. So what we are going to do today is install the crucial 8 gigabyte stick of RAM, and that is it right there. Okay, I thought it would be hard, but it was one of the most simplest things I've ever done. So first of all, you want to make sure you unplug it from the power source, flip it over to the back, you're going to have a micro screwdriver. I think this is a Phillips 1 or 2 head, and right here is going to be where your extra RAM goes. The RAM that comes in it and the extra RAM. It's right here for your hard drive, which I also installed. I had an old laptop that blew up, didn't work anymore, and it actually had like a 480 gigabyte traditional hard drive. So I threw it in there. I store files, documents, different stuff like that. So I mean, it came in handy. It was easy to install as well. You just gotta partition it after you get it installed. So right now we'll go ahead and open up this slot to install the extra RAM. So just go ahead and unscrew that. It's just one screw right here. Okay, and then just want to pop it out. It's kind of tough to get out sometimes, but just be careful. Sometimes you can take a small flat spade or something, you know, like a iPhone or even laptop repair kit. Take that off. Okay, so once you take the cover off, you'll see your original RAM you have right here. Probably have a little factory sticker on it or whatever. I think this was like maybe $32 off Amazon. It is the Crucial brand. Pop it open. Okay, and then when you go to install it, you can see the 4 black squares there. Obviously, you know, it can't line up this way, right? So you can see where the gap is right there. So you flip it over, see your 4 squares. They go in kind of like at a 45-degree angle, and they kind of just stack on top of each other. So you just want to make sure that the slot right there, if it'll focus, the slot right in the middle lines up with the slot right in there. You want to shove it in as far as it goes, and then you just want to press down, and when you press down, you'll hear it click in place, and both sides will be good. Just that metal clip there and a metal clip on this side. So 45-degree angle, push down, clips in, you're good to go. Take your cover. Okay, so once you have your cover in place, you can then flip the laptop over. Alright guys, so to check your RAM after you install it, go to your task manager. Go to start menu, type in task. Click on task manager, expand this. Go to performance up at the top. Click on memory. And down at the bottom, it'll tell you everything you need to know. And over here at the right, how many gigabytes you have installed.
So if this was helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see what's next. Thanks.